Hey foodsters, welcome to Madam Foodster. Today we are going to prepare tasty and crispy nachos. To prepare this recipe, we have taken a cup of corn flour, half cup of wheat flour, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil. Now we need to mix all the ingredients. Add a little water and make a soft dough. So foodsters, our dough is ready. Now we have taken this mixture and roll it like a chapati. Make sure you put oil before rolling. Now using a knife, we will cut in nachos shape. On the other side, we have heated the oil. Now slowly we will dip this nachos in the oil and fry until it turns golden. Ensure that we fry in the medium flame. So foodsters, our crispy nachos is ready. You can serve this nacho chips with any kind of chutney, ketchup. You can prepare the snacks and keep in an airtight container for a week. So do enjoy this short recipe. Thank you.